The 217916 error code on Canon devices indicates a scanner lock switch issue, typically caused by a short-circuited USB device. This problem often arises from incorrect or faulty USB cable connections. To resolve the issue, inspect the USB connectivity by disconnecting the cable from both the computer and the Canon device, then reconnecting it to ensure proper orientation on both ends. Try using a different USB port, connecting the cable directly to the computer rather than through a hub, and disconnect any other USB devices to identify the problematic cable. If necessary, replace the USB cable, verifying that it is the correct type and that there is no resistance during connection. Check that the connector matches the port and slides in smoothly. If the issue persists, attempt to use a different cable and port, or try a shorter cable if the current one is too long.